Training courses are the pertinent fields where the learner could gather information for financial requisition of an organization. When it comes to magnifying the understanding of these courses, it may seem to be entangled that hindered the path of the performer to intensify the knowledge. But a clear view will make you understand the significance of these courses. Financial generation, management, and reporting lie at the heart of any business. Training on these courses empowers the eligibility to the untrained professionals. On the other hand, acquisition of knowledge on finance and accounting excels our company's performance. Scanty financial knowledge among the directors and managers may develop the will to deal with the affairs appropriately. Developing the financial stability and profitability is the prime objective of an advanced organization. Now you would think of gaining in-depth knowledge on this course, but where to enroll? Don't worry, in Dubai Promise Training and Consultancy is a leading organization. The professionals of this organization have the cutting-edge knowledge that will keep you up to date on the latest industry practices. The technology advances at a rapid pace, so optimum understanding makes you eligible to become a financial wizard. So wasting time would not be productive at all. Contact Promise Training and Consultancy in Dubai soon, and for any update email at info@promisetrainingglobal.com.